RGB keyboard. Every gamer has a dream of a RGB system, like having a RGB keyboard, mouse, and case. But when it comes under budget, we generally need to sacrifice all these things. So hey guys, AP here. You're watching Techno King, and once again I'm back with a new video. And in this video, I will be talking about the best budget backlit keyboard which I recently purchased for my system. Though this isn't a RGB keyboard, it comes with 3 colors only, but I hope it will fulfill the needs of every budget gamer. So guys, without any further delays, let's get started. This keyboard is from Redgear. Talking about the packaging, it was packed just with a normal plastic. The packaging was not that good. So before unboxing, let's check out the box. It's a membrane gaming keyboard tournament edition. This is not a mechanical keyboard, and as I said, it comes with 3 colors. It's having 19 keys anti-ghosting and few other features also. And also, this keyboard comes with Windows lock button, which I think is really very useful for every gamer. At the back side, we have other specs about the keyboard. This keyboard is made from the aluminum alloy, which makes the keyboard more strong and gives it a more better look. The keyboard will work both on Mac as well as Windows. Some technical specifications are given, like the product name is Redgear Blaze Gaming Keyboard, and there are total 104 keys. Its power consumption, working voltage, size, weight, switch lifespan, and finally the trigger pressure. In the middle, the main features are given, like 3 colors backlighting, 19 keys anti-ghosting, floating keys architecture, which gives this keyboard a proper mechanical feel. So guys, that was all about the box. Now let's unbox it. Inside the box, we have the keyboard itself. Now let me show you the keyboard. Here you can see that the keys are slightly lifted upwards, which gives it a mechanical feel. At the back side, there are 2 stands. It's a USB type keyboard. The USB cable is not gold plated, but covering of the USB cable is really very good. Now let's check that how the keyboard sounds. Now I will be plugging it into my PC. So now you can see that how beautiful the keyboard is. The first color that appears is red. Now let's change the color. The second color is blue. And the third color is something like violet. Now since this keyboard comes with 3 colors, we can obviously change the color by pressing scroll lock key, and also we can change the color mode by pressing function plus scroll lock key. Now it will show all the colors one by one in a faded way. You can even turn off the backlit completely, but then the keys will become almost invisible to you. One more thing about this keyboard is that we can change the brightness of the LED lights. We can increase or decrease up to 3 levels. The rest of the thing you will come to know only when you will use it yourself. So the final words, what I personally feel about this keyboard is that if you are under a budget, then this one is the best LED backlit keyboard. The build quality is just awesome. The keys are faster and tactile. It will give you a good feel, and also the floating keys will give you a full mechanical feel. Now talking about the pricing, I got it just for 799 rupees, but the normal pricing is around 999 or 1000 plus. So I'll recommend this keyboard for budget gamers. The only con about this keyboard is that if you will turn off the lights, the keys will become almost invisible. Rest, everything feels great and works perfectly. The distance between the keys are also great, so both the gaming and the typing experience will be great. Those were my final opinions on this keyboard. If you are interested in buying this keyboard, then the Best Buy links will be available in the description below. So, that's all for today. If you like this video, then do not forget to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell next to it. Till that, it's Epi signing off from Techno King. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.